Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. In today's empowerment training, we shall be talking about anti-dandruff oil. Before I move further, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. So, in making natural anti-dandruff oil, we need our ginger and our oil, and in this oil, we want coconut oil. So, if you're yet to know how to prepare coconut oil at home, please check the link below. It takes you to my preparation of coconut oil. Then you can make use of ginger or garlic. I'll be making use of ginger because that is what I have at home right now. But you can also make use of garlic and you can decide to use the two. This is my prepared hair cream. This hair cream is prepared by me. One of these days I will show you how to prepare hair cream. So let's move further. We need to peel our ginger, then we'll pour it in the pot with the oil and we try to fry it. We are not to burn it, we are to just fry it. So we will be using low heat. We need the nutrient of the garlic or the ginger in our coconut oil. So that makes a complete anti-dandruff oil. So as you can see, the color of our ginger had changed. I took off the fire, then I'm sieving in order to have our oil alone. So we don't want dirt inside our oil. So this is our oil. It's a natural means of avoiding or eradicating dandruff in our hair. So you can use it in two ways. You can use it along with the hair cream and also you can use it, but mixing it with the hair cream gives it more power. That means you'll be having sulfur in your hair cream, which is also an anti-dandruff. All these would work against dandruff. So it's a very cool way of avoiding or eradicating dandruff. So you can use the oil alone and you can mix it with your hair cream. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. And if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. Thank you very much.